Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your Scotia bank credit card, and this is actually very easy. At first, head over to your account and then click on My Accounts in the Home tab, and then you're going to click on the credit card which you want to lock or unlock. So we're going to click on that. After that, what you're going to do is tap on Manage at the top, and then you'll see at the very bottom it says Lock or Unlock Card. So we're going to click on that one. Now, you can see that it says is your card lost or stolen, so you have to click on that one. And then if you think that your card is stolen, then you can lock your card and call this a number to report and get a new card, so make sure you do that. But after that, we're going to click on close and this thing will be unlocked. So if you click on this, you see that this is locked, and then just to unlock it, you can just click on this to unlock it back, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, take care.